Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be preparing Egwusi soup using this Egwusi seed, melon seed over there. I also have some spinach. I brought this out of my freezer and put it in the fridge overnight. As you can see, it has started releasing water, which I will throw out later and press out some water from the spinach. I have some crayfish powder, some sweet paprika, some dry catfish. I also have some onion for cooking the meat. I will be bringing out another onion later. And I also have some seasoning cubes for cooking the meat as well. I have some ogiri okpeyi made from locust beans, otazi seeds, some salt, some dry pepper, and some stockfish. I'll be dividing it into two because I'm making use of the other one to cook another thing. And other proteins I'm making use of are some shake and some beef. So today we are going to be making use of beef instead of cow tail. I normally make use of cow tail in this channel, but today I decided to go with beef. So I'll be adding some stockfish. I soaked this overnight, then deboned it this morning. So I'll be throwing in half of the onion, some seasoning cube, just like so. It will melt inside the soup. Then I will add some water a little bit above the level of the meat, just like so. And after that, add in some salt. Then cover your pressure cooker and start cooking till it is tender, at least 80% cooked. I'll be cooking this for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I added the beef. I removed the onion. Then I also added the dry catfish, as you can see. Then I'll be adding more water to it to the level of the meat, the remaining stock cube, then cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes again till the meat is tender. Once everything is well cooked, decant the water inside the pot, add your onion, add in the blended melon seed, stir and cover. Cook for at least 30 minutes on a low heat. Dice the sweet paprika or shombe if that is what you are using. I decided to add some bitter leaf into the soup, which I'll be putting later. Then after 30 minutes, stir the egwusi to make sure it's not burning. Add a little bit of water if it has thickened up. Then add some oil. For me, I don't normally add too much oil while cooking egwusi because it contains a lot of oil. Stir gently so that you don't break the lumps because you want to have some lumps to this. So after stirring, cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Throw in the blended ogiri, uziza seed and dry pepper. Then add in the meat that we cooked earlier, just like so. And please, if you're watching up to this extent, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share out my video, subscribe, and leave your comment below. So I will give this a good mix, just like so. Add in a little bit of salt, taste for salt. Add some crayfish. Then I'll be throwing in the bitter leaf onugbu. Allow to cook for 2 minutes. Stir again to make sure everything is well combined. Then after stirring, add in the sweet paprika or shombe. Then follow it up with your spinach. Give it a good mix. If you're using pumpkin leaf, you can add it now as well. Give it a good mix and allow this to cook for more 2 minutes. You don't need to overcook the spinach by now. After 2 minutes is ready. Give it a final stir and dish out. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice. And thank you so much for watching. Bye and see you in my next video.